Hello students of class 9. Today in this video I'm going to describe about the tea. It is also under the portions of this agriculture chapter, agriculture of the West Bengal. You can see the map of the West Bengal is also given here. So tea is actually a plantation crop and generally grows in the large estates of the West Bengal. Specifically, the tree is grown in the West Bengal, in the North Bengal portions, in the districts of Darjeeling, Terai region. In the North Bengal, there is about 550 tea grounds spread throughout the districts of this Darjeeling, Terai and the Coach Bihar, Jalpaiguri, this total zone. The cultivation of the trees involves a large amount of the large scale of this capital, and it is more industry rather than an agriculture. Why it is a more than industry? Because this particular agriculture involves a lot of other manufacturing units like the factory estates, large estates, then the large numbers of the laborers are also required in the particular this field. As a result of that, it also has got this marketing facilities also, which is more or less involved with the industry portion. That is why it is being known as the industry instead of any agriculture. Means it is more an industry rather than an agriculture. Next is about the tea plant. The tea plant is usually 3 to 10 meters high and it grows as an evergreen bush. The plant is regularly trimmed. Why this plant is regularly trimmed? So that the growth of the young leaves can be initiated. You see it is being regularly trimmed because to initiate the growth of these young leaves, because young leaves are the one which are more required for this production of the ultimate tea. That is why the growth of the young leaves are for the initiation or the for more growth of the young leaves, that it is all the tea plants are regularly trimmed. After the leaves are being trimmed off, then the leftover portions of this trimmed will remain in the bush portion, which adds the humus to the soil also. The tea plants generally take 6 to 8 years for the growth, and after that it yields the crops. Means after once the tree plants has been planted, it requires more or less 6 to 8 years. After 6 to 8 years, this crops actually this plant actually yields the crops when it yields the tea. Okay, next is that after plucking off the leaves from these bushes, they are being sent to the factories. In the factories, the crops are all the factories are generally associated and located beside the sides of this adjoining tea estates only. Now we will see and look into the conditions. So now the conditions that are required for the for the growth of these tea plants in these particular portions of the West Bengal. So you can see in the board, the first condition that is required is the rainfall. So the tea is a water loving. This tea is actually a water loving plant, and dry spell during the growing season may be very detrimental for this tea production, and as a result of that, it requires a minimum rainfall of 150 centimeter to 250 centimeter. Okay, means the annual average rainfall should be within 150 centimeter to 250 centimeter, and this rainfall should be well distributed throughout the region. Next point is the temperature. So the average monthly temperature should range between 24 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, and moderate temperature in these shady areas are ideal for the growth of these bushes. Okay, next point you can see is the soil. So this particular tea plant requires a fertile soil, okay, which is more rich in manganese, phosphorus, potash, and that is situated in the particular region. Next is the land. This tea plantation requires well drained rolling lands favorable for the tea cultivation, because this is more, because stagnation of the water is harmful for the tea plantation. Okay, Next is labor. So this particular tea cultivation, I said in the last part that it is actually more an industry rather than an agriculture. So because it is more like an industry rather than an agriculture, that is why it requires a lot of amount of this labor, specifically skillful labor, and female labor is very much necessary for this tea cultivation region. Why? Because these female laborers are actually very much delicately means they can be used daily, means they can pluck the leaves of the tree very delicately without harming the plants or without harming the leaves of this plant, and that is why this female labor is so much required. And apart from that, this female laborers are more skillful than the male laborers because they do the total work of plucking very skillfully. Okay, but in the industry, means when after the leaves are being plucked up, they are being sent to this industry portion. Over there the male workers are present in the factories, and they do all the processing after it is being sent to the industries. Okay, next the producing areas. We all know that Darjeeling is well known for the flavor, and Darjeeling tea is very famous throughout the world for its flavor. It is a great fame in the world market also, the Darjeeling, and most tea estates are therefore located in the hills of the Darjeeling itself. Apart from the Darjeeling, we get this means the tree are also grown in the Terai Duars region. In which districts of the Terai Duars regions? In the Jalpaiguri, Coach Bihar, then the North Dinajpur. Also this types North Dinajpur means this portion of the West Bengal lies the North Dinajpur. So apart from this particular region, this section is the Jalpaiguri and the Coach Bihar region, and this is actually the Terai Duars region. So apart from this Terai Duars region, this tea cultivation is also done in this North Dinajpur districts also. Okay, so the export means this tea plants are being sent to the other countries like UK, Netherlands, USA, etc. So let us see in the map of our West Bengal where the teas are generally found. As I have said in the previously, that you can see this is the map of the West Bengal, and you can see only in the northern section of West Bengal. You can see this is actually the northern section of the West Bengal. In this northern section of the West Bengal, the tea plants are actually grown because this land is means the climate of this particular region is favorable, because I have said earlier that this plant requires an annual average temperature of 24 to 30 degrees Celsius. So that particular temperature, so that type of the temperature is available in this particular region of West Bengal. That means in the northern sections of the West Bengal. So the trees are generally grown mainly in the Darjeeling districts. Then apart from the Darjeeling, it grows in the Coach Bihar, means in the Terai districts of the Terai Duars like Coach Bihar, Jalpaiguri, and some sections of the North Dinajpur too. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.